Okay. You do hear who's calling me, right? So, before I get to my exercises, I have to go feed Mr. Crow. Okay, first we're gonna bless Miffy with some cabbage and the banana. Okay, babes? Shut the lights off. Okay. Wow, it's really cool out here. I have not seen one squirrel this morning. I wonder if that means the hawk is out. I'm gonna give the rest of the bread. I have to buy bread, like real bread. And I gotta get seeds for Mr. Birdie. He's over there. All right, let's keep whistling. Hopefully the hawk isn't around. Oh, I put kale out last night for my rabbit friend that I was hanging out with. Yeah. Late at night, I saw him outside. I'm gonna put the bread over there because the crows are nervous to come here. Alright. We'll save a little bit more. And I'm gonna put, I kind of scatter them. See how that's under the tree? Now I know a hawk could come very fast anywhere they are, but I think that if I give any animal the chance, to escape as fast as possible, I like to put it under the car, so, like not under the car, like over here, so a squirrel could run quickly there and quickly there. It's weird that the squirrels are not here right now. It's very early in the morning. I don't know where they are. I bet you there was a hawk. Why are they not here? Like no one's coming around. Where are they all? Very strange. I have to take Miffy out here. He likes that. It's cold out there today. Miffy, you wanna go outside, babes? Where'd you go? I don't understand. Something is suspicious. There you are, babes. Hi, honey bunny. See, I have to put the blankets down on the ground for now because we had 2 rugs here that I have to wash. They're just creepy because last year I wasn't able to get to it. Every year I wash them immaculately. And they just started looking really creepy. So, I get them outside waiting for a nice day, right? Because it keeps raining. So, what am I doing? Oh, I put the rugs down, or excuse me, the blankets down. Because Miffy doesn't like to walk on the floor like by itself. He's behind the mirror over there. Do you see it? That's his little setup. All right. Miffy, you want to go? I guess he doesn't want to go outside. Do you think that Ghostly? Oh my gosh, Miffy. You want to go outside, babes? You're a little peanut boy. You're a peanut babe. Let's go outside and see the squirrels. Let's go. Okay. I like to give Miffy fresh air. We used to take him out everywhere, but like I said, I have to get him a harness or something for when we're out and about. Where are all the squirrels? I don't understand. You know, it's the bluebird. Hear that? That's a blue jay. Oh, I discovered that one. And there's a little birdie making all kinds of noise. Oh, here's Mr. Squirrel Man. I can see him. There is a... See, what do they call those red birds again? It's not a... Oh, there he is. Look. He's going to come and eat the bread that I put out. Robins? Is that what they're called? Yes. I always thought that the red cardinals were the robins. You want to see the birdie babes? Look. He's going to the bread. And here's Mr. Squirrel Man. Where is everybody else, Mr. Squirrel? Where are they? And he's eating the bread. See? I think they all call each other. I really do. You see the birdie babes? You see the birds? Yeah, the birdies. I love doing this in the morning. Now I'm gonna put on the coffee. I'm gonna go exercise. I have to go clean the bathroom. And then we'll have coffee and come back out here and see what's going on. All right, this bird earlier was making a very loud noise, as you heard. Right now, he's looking up, listening maybe to the other bird squawking, that bluebird. And you can see he's opening and closing his mouth. I don't know if you could see that. And he was making like this really light whistle sound. Hear it? Listen. Yeah. Isn't that weird? It's like he was squawking on the roof so loud. And right now he's like, listen to that. I didn't know they make two different sounds. Oh, honey, what's the matter? You okay? He's got his bread with him. Isn't that funny? He's actually carrying his piece of bread around. But he seems very concerned. All right, I'm freezing out here. I'm gonna go back in, make that coffee. Okay, Miffy's gonna sit on the table and watch Nana make coffee, okay? All right, we're gonna use the fluoride water that Hitler used to control his people. So if all of a sudden I'm in a translator, you'll know why. Miffy, I'm gonna make a loud noise. It's only Nana. You all right? Miffy, it's wonderful. All right, we got Mr. Fry's coffee pot. Mine's down the basement ever since the party. I thought I'd use this one and get mine out of here. I gotta get mine back because I love decaf and he drinks caffeine. But you can do your job while I'm exercising. Miffy, you wanna come over here? Come on. Come on. Come on. Isn't he good? He's so good. Oh, I love him. I love you, Miff. Go ahead. All right, you wait for Nana. All right, I'm gonna go exercise and clean the bathroom. All right, look, I'm going upstairs, and this is proof that rabbits love affection, and they need company. See? They do not want to be alone. He followed me here, look. You want to exercise too, babes? See, they don't want to be locked in cages. Oh, no. They always want to be with people, out and about. Right, babes? Tell them. Compared to cleaning the bathroom, exercise is the easy part. Okay, I'm going to march in place and do some arm exercises to warm up, stretch, and then start my exercise. Always warm up your muscles before you stretch. Otherwise you'll get injured, and you have to stretch because that's what brings life. What is going on? Wow. Something's going on. The squirrels still are not around. And these birds are squawking. I see a Mr. Squirrel Man on the fence. Right there. Go ahead. Go ahead. Wow. Something is up out there. Those are those bluebirds. Horrifying noise, isn't it? They're so beautiful, but they sound so ugly. What's going on? Anyway, Oh, Mr. Squirrel Man came. I know you can't really see because of the screen, sorry, but he's right there. Where's everybody else? Where'd they go? I always hug Miffy before he goes to bed because it's getting around that time. We're not quite there yet. And I always bless him. May Jesus, Mary, and Joseph protect you all day long. And then I say that at night when I go to bed on him. See? He's a good babe. Now let's get to exercising, Lisa. Stop avoiding it. Here, Miffy, you want to read the newspaper? There you go. Good. Read the Catholic paper, honey. All right, well, eat it, I guess. So you eat your banana, you get some fresh air, you read the Catholic news, and now you're chilling out. Good boy. Okay, there's another blackbird. I know it's always hard to see through my screen. I'm sorry. But yeah, another little blackbirdie came by. Not a crow, unless he's a baby crow. I don't know. But he likes the bread. Almost 10 minutes now. I'm exercising. And Miffy's cleaning up. He's getting ready for bed. Okay, I warmed up about maybe 11 or 12 minutes. But while you're warming up, I gotta show you this arm exercise. It is so grand, and it takes all that time. But it's not just warming up, you truly are exercising your arms. So now we're gonna get busy with weights and floor work and stretches from the physical therapist for my hip. That's a lifesaver. How you doing, Miffy? What'd you learn? What did the Pope have to say today? Huh, babes? Yeah. Are you a Catholic bun? Yes, you are. I love you. See? See, we're still doing our own thing. Keep learning, Miffy. I need to know as much as I can. Yes, good boy. And I'll keep moving. Okay, so I warmed up, like I said, for I think 11 to 12 minutes. I exercised for a good 45. I did a whole body workout because I figure tomorrow I have appointments really early in the morning. And I can probably do a walk tomorrow, but not this sort of weight and floor exercises. So I did a full body today, and then I stretched and cooled down for about a good 8 minutes. And this is very important because as we age, okay, and I don't think it's that far, like probably 30s, 40s, I'm imagining, if you don't use your muscles, this is where they'll end up. Into the next place that I have to work. The things we do for love. I have to clean this thing. But that's where your muscles will go. You can actually urinate them out of your body. So you might be thinking, oh, I'm losing weight and I'm not even trying. Well, guess what? You are losing weight, but it's not fat, it's muscle. And you really do want to listen to me because after all, a professional physical therapist said that I am 1 number lower in strength than an NFL football player. Did you ever think about washing your toothbrushes, everybody's? Get a little Dixie cup. You could put mouthwash or a hydrogen peroxide, which I don't have today, so I'm using mouthwash. Who knows what's in that thing? But I let it soak, you know, for the recommended amount, 30 seconds. Run it under hot water. If you want, you can take a Clorox wipe or Lysol wipe. Who knows what's in that? And wipe down the handles. You know, just don't get it close to the mouth. But yeah, every time I clean the bathroom, I always do that too, even though we switch out the toothbrushes after so many months, right? Sounds gross. Did you ever think about doing the doorknobs on both sides? Yes, and the light switches, because just don't get electrocuted, right? You know, people are always touching that after the bathroom. Oh, tell me that you wash the handle. Please tell me that when you wash your toilet, you wash the handle. Please tell me. Me, I cannot keep. See this doohickey thing? Yes, we used to put all our toothbrushes in that. Until my brain, yes, my brain awoke. My brain woke and realized that it's disgusting. They're always like touching and banging against one another. So I keep them all separated now. So I got one over here, I got one over there, and over here. Yes, Sarah and I's toothbrushes. You like that, Sarah and I's? Toothbrushes are together but on opposite sides. I just can't do it, and I won't. No. That deserves one of these. Horrifying. Okay. My time has come to think of Mother Teresa and all, or I should say, Saint Teresa of Calcutta. That's in India, by the way. This is where I ask her for her help, all that she has done to total strangers. And then this is part of my family. Only the grace of God can get me through this one. Where are my gloves? I don't even use gloves. What am I talking about? I can't. Those gloves that I use are for the tub and the sink. Not even the sink, just for the tub.
Oh, I called.